This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Chrysler Pacifica's oil life indicator. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure the car is in park and completely off before proceeding. You will then need to focus on the instrument cluster display, which shows important vehicle information. This initial step sets the stage for the reset process. Next, you'll use the controls on your steering wheel to navigate through the vehicle's menu system. Look for the Vehicle Information section, or sometimes it's directly labeled Oil Life. Once you've found the correct option, press the OK button, usually located on the steering wheel, to select it. This action will bring up the current oil life percentage on your display. Once you've selected the oil life option, your display will show the current percentage. To perform the reset, press and hold the OK button on your steering wheel for approximately 10 seconds. Keep holding it until you see the oil life percentage change. It should then reset to 100%, indicating a successful operation. This confirms your oil life monitor is now refreshed. After the oil life resets to 100%, you can release the OK button. Then, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. Wait a few moments, and then start the engine to confirm the reset. Double-check the instrument cluster display to ensure the oil life now reads 100%. This final verification step ensures the process was completed correctly and your monitor is ready for its next cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.